Hi lovelies, welcome to today's tutorial. It's all about how to cut this ruffle sleeve. It's called the ruffle sleeve. How to go about it, or you can call it spiral flay. So if this is what you would like to learn, stay glued and let's dive right into the tutorial. Okay, I've gone ahead to fold my material, but I'll show you how to go about it. This material, I'm making use of 2 yards of satin, doll face satin fabric, or you can use a mirror face or any fabric of your choice. This one right here is a doll face. Okay, I've gone ahead, I folded it into 2, and I've gone ahead to fold it into 4, so that when I finish cutting it, I will have 4 pieces, 2 for the one sleeve and 2 for the other sleeve. Okay, this is how it will look like, but we'll have to get the midpoint. So I'll show you how to get the midpoint where our spiral will start from. Our spiral flounce will start from. Okay, so now I will use my iron and get the middle point. So, but to get it, you have to fold your material again. Look at me very well, you understand what I'm doing. Then you iron down. After this, after ironing down, you fold it again, you refold it. Watch closely, you understand what I'm doing. Then you iron it down to get the midpoint, the middle point. The midpoint is what we are looking for. So we want to use iron to achieve it. There are so many ways of getting it, but I prefer this iron on. Okay, to get that crease line, is a crease line that we're looking for. Then you open it to the original way it's supposed to be folded. Look at the midpoint there. Let me arrange it properly so that you see. Then you use your chalk. Look at the midpoint and make a cross or plus sign in that midpoint, horizontally and vertically. Okay, please make sure you pin your material down so as to avoid it moving. Okay, so in that midpoint you measure 2 inches round. That midpoint, the middle, measure 2 inches round it. You measure and mark, measure and mark, and measure and mark, and connect the whole circle together. Okay, please don't forget it's 2 inches mark that you measure round that midpoint. Okay, look at it. That is what I'm measuring, 2 inches round. You connect it, draw it round. Okay, look at it, 2 inches. Okay, now after this we're going to start drawing our spiral. From that midpoint you measure 4.5. You can use 3, you can use 2, depending on the size of the crinoline you want to use, but I want to use 2 inches crinoline. That is why I measured 4.5. Then from that midpoint you curve. Look at it, look at my hand, you understand what I'm doing. Look at it very well, you understand. You curve to that 4.5 inches. Then from that midpoint also you measure 4.5 inches round. Continue with the 4.5. That is what I'm doing. You continue marking, continue marking. I'm taking it slowly so that you understand it. That is why I don't want to fast forward any part of this video. Okay, I'm still going 4.5 inches round, 4.5 inches round. Then look at it, watch the video carefully, you understand what I'm doing. Okay, and then when you now get to that curve, instead of starting from the middle, you start from the curve. Look at me very well, you start from that curve you made from that midpoint to the first 4 inch. Start from that curve and continue your 4 inches mark. Start from the curve, continue your 4 inches mark. Oh yeah, the first line, we are now working on the first line that we marked. We are continuing from the first line we marked. We are measuring 4.5 inches round it. Watch the video carefully, even though you don't understand me, but if you watch the video carefully, you understand what I'm doing. Please be patient and watch carefully. Okay, doing 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches round. That is what we're doing. 4.5 inch round 8. Okay, please, if this video is somehow helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, my returning subscribers. You people are the real MVPs. Thank you, my new subscribers. I thank you. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, this is a very good opportunity for you to hit the subscribe button. Please like this video so that so many people out there will be notified of this video and they will watch it to get value. So remember, we are still marking our 4.5 inches round. You continue. This is like a circle. You continue from the where you stop. Make sure you're placing your tape now on the latest line that you draw to make the current line. Just watch what I'm doing. You will understand very well so that you know how to go about yours. Okay, so like I was saying, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I promise you that you get value. And if you have any question, you're confused on any aspect of this video or the previous videos I have on my channel, you can go ahead to ask your question, comment in the comment section down below, and I promise you that I'll make a time I will answer you. I will answer. So please comment. If you have a video request you want to make, any video of your choice you want me to cut, you can still comment and tell me about it. Okay, so continue marking. Let's continue marking our 4.5 inches. Continue marking 4.5 inches round. 4.5 inches round it round. Let's continue. Okay, you continue till you get to the end of the material, the edge, the last edge of the material where you cannot go beyond it. That is where you will stop. Watch closely. We are getting to where we'll end it and getting to the ending point. Watch closely. This is the end part of the flounce. You can call it flounce, you can call it spiral flare, you can call it ruffle. Anyone you call it is okay. I've gotten to the end. So what we are going to do now is to cut, pin and cut. Please make sure that you pin so as not to make mistake, or so as not to leave the line you're supposed to cut and cut another part. Please be careful while cutting. Okay, let's cut it out. Even if you don't understand while I was drawing it, if you watch the cutting part very carefully, you will understand everything. Just watch it very carefully. Watch very carefully. You will understand it. I'm opening that ending part so that it will be easy for me to cut it out. Okay. Okay. Look at. I'm cutting it. Okay. Let's cut it out and link to the other line. Watch carefully. You will understand what I'm doing. Okay. How to go about it. Watch carefully and cut carefully, please. Carefully cut out. This is very simple. It's very easy to make, but Most people find it difficult. That is the essence of this video, to show you how to go about it and know that it's not all that difficult. It's very easy, very, very easy. If you follow diligently and work and eat, you'll find that this video will be very, very helpful to you. Okay, then you slowly cut it out. We're cutting the edges out, so that we'll now work on cutting the flounce, carefully cutting the flounce. Okay, look at it. We are done cutting the edges. Now what is remaining is the actual flounce. Okay, let's start. I'll fast forward this video a little, so it will not take much of your time, but watch carefully. You will still see it. It's not much. Look at me cutting it. Watch, look at the drawing. I hope you're seeing my drawing carefully. Look at me cutting it. Okay, cutting the flounce. Cutting it, cutting and pinning. Any parts that want to move, you make sure you pin. Okay, look at how you go about the edge of it. The edge, you cut it, curve your hand. Look at it from that part, curve it out. Very easy to make. It's not difficult. It's very, very easy. Look at the flounce. Our flounce is very much ready. Very much ready. Look at our flounce. Let me arrange it so that you know how we went about it. Okay, look at the flounce. Look at it. So, like I said before, we have 4 parts here, 2 for one sleeve and 2 for the other sleeve, and I will make use of 2 inches crinoline. I'll go and bring my crinoline and show you how to attach it. You will run your stitch down, then you attach your crinoline on top of it. Let me show you what is called crinoline. Okay, this is the crinoline, and this is the crinoline. This one is the 2 inches crinoline. It's white. It has other colors. This one is this hard one. It has other colors, so it has black, but the soft one have more than black and white. It has red, green. See, I told you. Gone ahead to stitch it. You first of all stitch it, then you place your crinoline like this. We are seeing what I'm doing. This place, if you do it like this, you have a very neat sewing when you sew it, when you turn it to the right side. I've gone ahead to do it, but I just want to illustrate how I did it. I first of all stitched it to 1/2 inch down. Then you place your crinoline like this. This one will face like this. Crinoline will face this way. Place it like this and run a stitch on top of that stitch. See it on top of that first stitch that you made. Run a stitch down to the hem, down to the hem. You cut it off. Then let me turn it to the right side so that I'll show you how it's looking. See, even without ironing it down, it's looking very beautiful. Turning it like this. Turn it. turn to this side. Look at how it is looking. Are you seeing it? It's not even looking as if something is inside. Look at the drips. Look at it. So how we do it, you run a stitch, push this inside, run a stitch, hold it like this, run a stitch on it down. After running a stitch on it, you can interlock it, weave it. You run a stitch on it like this, stretch stitch down, then you use it and make your sleeve. After making the sleeve, I'll show you how it looks like. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.